everyone, welcome to StudyWizards, where students help students learn. In today's video, we will be learning about the cell cycle. Just a little heads up, I'll be going over the general idea of the cell cycle and then going into a bit more detail. So, within the cell cycle, we have two main phases, interphase and cell division. Let's first talk about interphase. Well, in interphase, what is happening is the cell is growing, getting jobs, replicating DNA, which is currently in the form of chromatin, and just overall just getting ready for the next steps of cell division. There are 3 points within interphase, which is G1, where cell jobs are given, S, where DNA is replicated in the process called DNA synthesis, and G2, where organelles are made. A fun fact is that the cell spends most of its time in interphase throughout the cycle. Next, let's talk about cell division. Within cell division, there are 2 parts, mitosis and cytokinesis. Let's talk about mitosis first. Mitosis is basically the process of replicating DNA so the cells can later turn into 2 daughter cells. In mitosis, there are 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. They all work together and rely on each other to be completed. Let's start with prophase. Let's go into prophase first. In prophase, the nuclear membrane starts to disappear and visible chromosomes are formed. In metaphase, the chromosomes are then lined up in the middle of the cell as they are attached to spindle fibers, which are have different lengths and are attached to centrioles on either pole of the cell. And a way to remember metaphase is remember M for middle. The chromosomes are lined up in the center of the cell, the middle of the cell, same thing. Then we have anaphase here. The chromosomes basically get split up into sister chromatids and are pulled towards the centrole. See, the centroles are on either side of the pole and they're gonna get pulled towards them. And then finally we have telophase. This is where the 2 groups of the sister chromatids are starting to form their own nuclear membranes. Also later on, the chromosomes will turn into chromatin. That is basically mitosis. Now we can finally move on to the last part of our cell cycle and cell division, which is cytokinesis. In cytokinesis, what occurs is basically the cytoplasm pinches inwards, which then actually forms 2 daughter cells. These daughter cells will have the same DNA as their parent cell, but may go on to become a different type of cell according to the certain genes that are turned on and off within the cell. This is called cell specialization, but there will be a video specifically talking about that later. Alright, a little fun way to remember cell division names are the acronym Pass Me a Taco Chef. P for prophase, M for metaphase, T for telophase, and C for cytokinesis. You could also remove the C to remember mitosis, PMAT, or Pass Me a Taco. Alright, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. I will also add some additional videos that might help more with the topic down below. See you guys in the next video. Bye!